Hi, Miss Caney. I have 3 lessons for you today working on vowel blends or some different sounds that vowels can make when they're beside other letters. You should have worked on this. I think they do Vowel Town with you when you go to pull out. So this would be the things that Mrs. Kulik worked with you and Mrs. Lyons worked with you on. So we're going to just refresh on some of these skills. For the first lesson, we're going to talk about AR. Okay, this is how we would code it. That's R. So the A actually isn't making a sound. So if we listen to the word car, what sounds do we hear? So tap it out. K, R. We only hear 2 sounds. We hear the K, R. Okay? Normally consonants don't say their name, so we don't say C, R to say car. Okay, so if I write the word car, it's going to be C, A, R. That's how I spell it. But when I read it, I say K, R. So the A and the R are making one sound. They're just saying R. Okay? So whenever we see A beside the consonant R, we're going to remember that it's going to make the R say its name, and the A is going to be quiet. Okay? All right, let's try another word, and I want you to listen to the vowel. Cat. Repeat the word. All right, now let's sound it out slowly. K, A, T. Do you hear the vowel? You should say yes, because in cat we have K, A, T, C, A, T, and the A is making its sound. So I would code it with a breathe, because all of the letters are making their own sound. C says K, A says A, T says T. But in car, we hear K, but then we just hear one sound. We don't hear A, we just hear R. Okay? So we need to recognize the difference between when an A is by just a regular consonant and when A is beside the letter R. Okay? Let's change the word cat, and let's change the final sound to say P. So we had cat, and now we want cap. So our new word is cap. C-A-P. Again, this time we hear the K-A-P. We hear a short A, and we hear the consonants making their sound. So again, these words are different than the word car because A-R makes its own sound, R. The R says its name and the A is silent. Sometimes it can be in the middle of a word, like the word dark. Sorry, I can't find an eraser, so I have to use my shirt. Dark. Go ahead and sound that out. D, R, K. Now, we have the D, R, and K. There's 3 sounds, but we know all words have to have a vowel. So we don't hear a vowel sound, so in our brain, we need to be going ding, 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 ding. There's an R, and just R doesn't say its name. R would say so our word would be dirk, dirk, if we don't put a vowel in there. So, ding, 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 we need the letter A. So we should have D, A-R-K. And we can code it like that to help us to remember that A is quiet and the R is going to say its name, like in dark. All right, I asked Logan to print off some pictures for you. Okay, so for your assignment, I want you to work with Logan and filling in the missing sound. K, ard, k, ap, k, r, and crab. And then do the same thing on these picture cards. Okay? And you can just take a picture of those or something and have Logan email them or text them to me. And that will be your assignment for this lesson. Excuse me. All right, let me look at the next lesson. All right, now we're going to talk about ER, IR, and UR. All right, so again, these are controlled by the letter R. R makes vowels do some funny things, okay? So when we see these, sorry, give me just a second. All right. So ER, IR, and UR are going to say All right. So this is kind of how we would code it. All right. For example, listen to the word fur. There's two sounds, okay? We hear the R, but it's not saying R like in AR. So we know it has to have a vowel. It's not going to be A. So we have to think, is it going to be A, E, I, O, or U? Because those are our vowels. And we know it can't be A because AR would say R, and right now it's saying okay, like in fur. So for fur, it's actually going to be UR. So we're going to code it like that to help us remember. Fur. All right. I want you to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So if Logan is with you right now or your babysitter, it might be good for them to be with you for this part to see if you get it right. Excuse me, or wrong. Okay, here are your words. Give me a thumbs up if you hear okay? Her, per, bit, gum, fur, doll, stir. Very good. Okay, hopefully you got all of those right. If not, go back and say them again on your own and say them slowly and really listen to the sounds that you hear. All right. Okay, what is this word? Sound it out, and you should get the word hen. E is making its short sound, But if I change the N to an R, it's going to change our vowel. It's not going to say her. It's going to say Okay, because remember, ER, IR, and UR say So I'd code it like this. It's not a short vowel, it's not a long vowel, it's changed because of the R. The R is in control, it's controlling it. Okay? All right, I'm going to write the word, a word, and I want you to read it. And think about what that says. So, we can try a short vowel first. B-I-R-D. No, that's not right. We can try a long vowel. B-I-R-D. Byard. Nope, that's not a word that we know. And so now we should be going ding, ding, ding. There's an R. This is an R-controlled word. Okay, and we know ER, IR, and UR are going to say So in bird, we hear B-R-D. This word is bird. Okay. All right. I want you to try 3 more. All right, here are your next 3 words. If you notice, you should see the letter R beside a vowel and know that that's going to be R controlled. All right, the word should be term, turn, and third. You are in 3rd grade. All right. Okay. This is the paper that should go with this assignment. Okay, you need to choose which one of these words goes with the first sentence, which one of these words goes in the second sentence, and which one of these words goes in the third sentence. Take a picture and have Logan email that to me, or